Hello, this is a Four Seasons top mount 48-inch fan from the mid-80s that I got on January 23rd, 2009. Yes, you already saw this one. I'm just updating the video, the beginning of the video of this one, so now you can see it better on high speed, because on my previous video, at the beginning of it, you could not see it so long on the high speed. This is just to show you better the high speed. Because when I first got this fan, I was pretty afraid to let it run on a high for a long time, because when I first got it, it had a bend down bracket. It was making the fan wobble a lot, and it was my very first vintage sound fan I ever got, and this one is insanely powerful. You know, it has insane power in it. You know how 80s fans are, and this one has a really big motor. So it spins at about like 250 RPMs on high, so it's quite something. You really want to see that. So now the brackets are all perfect and fixed since then. And right now it's April 25th, 2010, so I already had this fan for a year now. So now the fan is perfect, fixed and all. It runs perfect, no wobble on any speeds. So you probably remember it has type wave cane blades. It's all complete with everything, even the original tassels. It's made by Made in Taiwan. I don't know the year of the fan exactly, but it's definitely mid-80s, so definitely somewhere around 84 to 86. So here we go on high speed. It speeds up really quickly and has a violent startup. You'll see it starts really quick and really fast. Just one last thing before I turn it on. This one has obviously, like most of older used fans, has a bearing sound to it, which is actually a really nice and pleasant bearing sound. I like to have it to hear it when I try to sleep. It's a very nice and soft and relaxing bearing sound. Nothing annoying at all. Other than that, the motor is humless. It's perfectly, it's very quiet, the sound of the motor. So here we go. Look at that. It's very fast. Insane, huh? It makes a tornado in my room, sort of. And the tassels are just going crazy. They're dancing, basically. You can even hear probably the sound of all of the air bouncing across the room and between the blades and the ceiling, because this is a top mount, so the blades are pretty close to the ceiling. I'm sure it's about like 250 RPMs. Whoa, boy! Wow, this is really serious air movement here. Medium. Still really fast for a medium speed. Whew. Fans back then were really powerful, much more than the ones of today, because they were not really used just to circulate air, but really to cool you off during the summer, because most of the people back then did not have the air conditioning yet. This thing's going to be useful in the summer. low speed on this fan is about just a little slower than the medium speed of my craft made. It's too fast for my taste. I got it for free from a friend of my mom. See the bare direct drive motor at the top. Those fans are really unique. They have like a stationary housing when you look from the bottom, but the blades are mounted at the top, and it's like if it was like cut at the top, and when you look at the top you can see the bare direct drive motor in it spinning. There we go, thanks for watching.